Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. On this video today I will be showing you how to make breadcrumbs at home. If you are new to this channel, welcome and consider subscribing because I upload new recipes every week and you do not want to miss any of them. Without much ado, let's get into the video. To make the breadcrumbs we need bread slices and we are going to cut them into smaller pieces like you see. The reason that we are cutting the bread slices is to help in the blending because we are going to transfer the pieces to a blender, and after blending this is what we have, and we are just going to transfer our breadcrumbs to a hot pan so that we can allow them to dry completely. And you can see the color has started to change. Just make sure that you are stirring continuously because they might burn, like I said before. Also, be sure to use low flame . Yes, you can see they were already starting to burn, and that's an indicator that they are ready for the next step. So next we are going to blend them again to get them even smoother. Just transfer them to the blender and blend it. Like you can see, our bread